Hi, welcome to a new topic. This time we're going to continue talking about the simple past, but we're going to focus on adverbs of time. These are very important words. They tell us when an action happened. In this case, for example, we have words for the past, the present, and the future. Now, something important, right now we're only going to work on the past. The present and the future words are important. You can identify them, but let's focus on the past. In this case, we have yesterday, which means ayer. Ago, which means hace. For example, if you say 3 years ago, it means hace 3 años. We also have last week, last month, or last year. Last means pasado. For example, last week is la semana pasada, last month, el mes pasado, last year, el año pasado. Adverbs of time are also important because they tell us when. They tell us if it happened now, today, tomorrow, tonight, or yesterday. Now, ahora, today, hoy, tomorrow, mañana. This is for the future, but it is important you identify this word. Tonight, esta noche, or yesterday, ayer. Here is an example. Mary went to the market yesterday. Mary fue al mercado ayer. Another important thing about adverbs of time is that they tell you for how long. If it happened all day, for a year, or since. In this case, all day means todo el día, for a year, durante un año, or since, desde. For example, Mary went to the market all day. Ella fue al mercado todo el día. And let's continue. Adverbs of time also tell you how often. Now, these words, you may recognize them from the present, but you can also use them in past. For example, always, which means siempre, constantly, constantemente. Ever, frequently, generally, never, normally, often, sometimes, and usually. These are review adverbs of time, so you can check them in the dictionary if you don't remember exactly what they mean. And you can also use them in past. Here we have an example in present. Mary never goes to the market, but you can also use them in past. Mary never went to the market. Mary nunca fue al mercado. You can use it like that. Okay? Now it's your turn. The structure is pretty easy, as you saw. We're only specifying the moment in which things happened in the past. For example, you can say he went to church. And then you can have last week or last Sunday. So how would you say it? He went to church last week. You can also say he went to church last Sunday. Here is another example. I shopped bread and eggs. What would you say? And here we have some examples. You can say today, yesterday, last week. You see, we're focusing on the past. Here we have another example. She lived with her friends. And you can specify last summer. She lived with her friends last year. She lived with her friends last semester. Here we have another one. My family moved to a new house. And you can say yesterday or last week or last month. Now try to practice by yourself. It is important. Try to make sentences on your own and add the different adverbs of time. You can also watch this video as many times as you need in case you need to review. And it is important that you also compare your sentences to the ones presented in this video. Thank you.